Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a Thai street snack. It's called Paneer Thawed Namjim. Now thawed in Thai means deep fried and Namjim means dipping sauce. So we're gonna have deep fried paneer with a dipping sauce. And that dipping sauce, I promise you, is gonna be extremely beautifully delicious. It's sweet, it's sour, tangy, and spicy, perfectly complementing the taste of paneer. And paneer is gonna be very crispy and crunchy from outside and very soft and tender from inside. And guess what? This dipping sauce is made of sesame and peanuts as well. And you have a lot of protein in this meal. If you want, you can substitute the paneer with tofu. And you need not even go to the market to get special ingredients for this dish because all of these are available at your home. If you want to watch this recipe in Telugu, you also have it in my Telugu channel and I'll link it in the description box below. Do check it out. So the first part is paneer thawed. So I've cut paneer into pieces, small little bite-sized pieces, and we're directly going to fry them. Now, I'm not adding any seasoning whatsoever because we're going to have all the flavors in the sauce and that is perfect. Make sure that your oil is very hot. That's the first point you need to make sure. And the second point is make sure your paneer is hard. It should not be soft because there are chances that it might break into pieces in the oil. And if you're using tofu, make sure you take firm tofu. Now once they come golden brown, just take them onto a plate. And our first part is ready. Make sure you fry all the paneer on a high flame. And let's get into the second part, namjim, that is the dipping sauce. So I'm taking a mortar and a pestle and I'm taking roasted cashews in that and I'm gonna crunch them and crush them. So the key here is not to make a fine powder. You have to have little crunchy bits of cashews and that gives you a perfect taste. And in the same mortar and pestle, I'm taking sesame seeds. These are also roasted and I'm gonna crush them as well. Finally, I'm taking roasted peanuts with the skin taken off and I'm crushing them. With all these three, this sauce is going to be nutty and crunchy. The texture is going to be perfect. Now in a blender jar, I'm taking tamarind juice. Now this is diluted tamarind juice. You can either soak the tamarinds and get the water or you can take the tamarind pulp and dilute it. And to that I'm taking some jaggery. The sweetness from the jaggery perfectly complements the tanginess from the tamarind juice. Now here's another alternative. If you want or if you have palm sugar, you can add that as well to get the authentic Thai flavors. I'm also adding 2 cloves of garlic and 1 green chilli. So one thing to notice here is garlic, chilli, tamarind juice and jaggery, all these are very intense in their own flavors. But when you mix all of them, the taste is beyond wonderful. And trust me on this guys, you'll just love the sauce. So in a heated pan, I'm keeping the flame on high and I'm adding the tamarind juice. Now we want this juice to boil and come to a nice thick consistency. Now to that, I'm adding a little salt and a little chili powder. You are gonna keep boiling this mixture until it slightly starts to get thick. Just before that, add in some lemon juice and then switch off the flame. You don't want it to be very thick because once it cools, it becomes thicker. So if you think the perfect consistency is now, you should have switched off the flame 5 minutes ago. And to this, I'm adding all the three powders, the peanut powder, sesame powder, and cashew powder. This sauce is amazing. Now, if you have vinegar, you can substitute the lemon juice with vinegar. And to make this extra flavorful, you can add in basil leaves if you have. It'll give a nice herby flavor to the dish. That's it. Did you even realize how simple this is? And it's extremely delicious. Especially if you eat it with this crunchy, crispy paneer. It's amazing. And it just gets done within no time. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. I love it. So whenever I make this dish, I just love the taste. And I'm sure you love it too. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.